North Shore Commercial Door is your one-stop shop for garage door hardware components. Any hardware you need for your garage door, we have it. Our hardware is the highest quality to ensure lasting and trusted parts for our valued customers. All the hardware we have covers residential and commercial garage doors. We've assembled a huge line of garage door hardware so you don't have to shop anywhere else. One of the most popular items is our garage door springs. We have all kinds of spring sizes, types, and accessories. From torsion springs to universal spring cones to extension springs, they're all on our website. The cones are crucial for mounting and keeping torsion springs in working condition. Another popular item is our drum sets. These essential hardware components for any torsion style garage door are made from stainless steel to resist corrosion. They come in multiple sizes to fit various garage door applications. From standard to high or vertical lift, we have the drum you need. Our sectional garage door rollers are also a prominent piece of hardware for any residential or commercial door. To cover any job, we carry 2 and 3 inch varieties. We also offer them in nylon, silent glide, stainless steel, and specialty car wash rollers with sealed bearings. Those are just a few of the extensive range of hardware products we carry with our valued customers in mind. We have every hinge, bracket, bumper, exhaust port, bearing, door lock, top fixture, and pulley to have you covered. When it comes to the most vital hardware parts to keep your garage door functioning properly, we're here for you. At North Shore Commercial Door, we are your partner in garage door hardware solutions.